Onward, Video Joe. Let's get on with it, okay? So now I'm going to install this bracket up there. And because the bed's in the way, okay, I'm going to look at the mounting bracket up there and see where the screws are. If the screws are going from left to right. I can't even remember now. Oh yeah, they are. They are going from left to right, okay? They're going from left to right. So I'm going to put this opening this way, okay, like that, so that it makes it easier for me to go up the ladder, and all I have to do is lift it up and get it in there and ka-clunk and have it in there, okay? And before the mounting screws came with the pancake box, the metal box, okay? If you, depending what kind of box you have, you want to make sure that it's designed and will hold the weight of a ceiling fan, and then make sure it comes with the screws, because you're going to need the screws to use the screws in the mounting bracket, because I have never ever seen a ceiling fan that comes with the mounting screws for this. And maybe they think, well, I don't know, we don't know what size threads you're using for your junction box or whatever. Okay, and then the ground wire is going to be left on here. They usually leave it like that. Now see, this is stranded wire. So I twist that around like that. And what I usually do is I'll strip this back. I don't know why they don't make these longer, because we've got another ground wire just like this. That's the stranded. I'll take both of those together, strip them back another 3/8, ½ inch or so, and then I'll take both of those and zip them around. I can't really show you that right now because the other one is attached to the knuckle over there. Okay, so that wire, that ground wire is the same as this. I'll take it, twist the stranded wires together before I strip it. Then I'll strip it carefully so I don't get it into too small of a stripper hole and start jerking and pull some of these strands out. Okay, then I'll wrap those two together. Then I'm going to have two coming out that are going to be about yay long, and they're already wrapped together. So that then I'll take it to the solid copper wire up at the ceiling and wire those together. But that's why I like to make this longer, because that's not very long at all. If I hold the other one up there, then I have to hold the copper solid wire on there, and then I'm always like, okay, are any of these going to get loose? Do I know if these are actually connected up there okay and stuff? So I like to do that. Okay, and this thing has those set screws on here. Okay, and I'm gonna have to look at that. I'm going to have to look at these to see, and I'm pretty sure they're set exactly where it's needed. But see, when you take one of these out, the way it's designed is for it to go tight into that canopy and still stick out. And see, it's got this little nib at the end, and it's only going to go to there and tighten up. Okay, and so I gotta be mindful of that. And I know one of them I got to take all the way out. I've got to take one of these all the way out for the canopy. You see what I mean? When I put that canopy up there. Okay, so I'll have to figure out which one I want to take out. I don't think it really matters, because then when I get that canopy up there, I've got to tighten it underneath the first little head and up there further, because the canopy areas that stick out is for that other little piece of trim to fit on and then swivel over. So I've got to have one of these out far enough so when I put the canopy up there with the bigger hole, it fits over there, and it's got to fit underneath where the threads are, not just underneath the first little goodie. that make sense? It's kind of hard to explain. And then once the canopy's up there, then I can tighten that up to the canopy, hold the canopy, and then the other screw goes all the way up, and then these two will still stick out. So I can't just leave them. Basically, I can't just leave it tight right now and think, oh, it just fits over that canopy. No, I don't think it works that way. I think it has to come out. And I might even hold this down there to double check, but I don't think it goes, I don't think the canopy fits on just that little lip right there, as well as the trim, that little trim piece too. Do you see what I mean? This has to come out, and then the canopy fits underneath that, the big canopy, and then the canopy trim, then that's going to be up there tight. Then the canopy trim fits on that last little goodie. Okay, so that's how that's going to work. So I'm going to get this set up and get it ready to go, and then I'll get you lifted up there high for you to see how I'm going to attach that up there. Well, I can cross that one off my list. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.